Hi, welcome to RR Infotech for IT Knowledge Hub. This is the ASUS ROG Strix G16, but not the one you know. We are talking Ryzen 9 AMD processor with RTX 5060 graphics and blistering 240 GHz QHD display, all packed into a laptop that doesn't sacrifice style or performance but does it live up to the hype. Let's find out. Okay, this massive 300 watts power brick and some ROG swag. But let's talk about the design. So the design highlight is it's a sleek angular chassis. So it's less gamery than the previous Strix model, and there is plus point is aluminum lid plus plastic or metal hybrid base. It's sturdy but not too heavy, and RGB light bar on the side plus quirky RGB keyboard, which is customizable by Armory Crate. So let's talk about the display, which is 240 Hz refresh rate, uh, buttery smooth for the competitive gamers, and 100% DCI P3 coverage, and 500 nits brightness. Work well even in bright room. Now for the good stuff, Ryzen 9 processor with 9995HX and RTX 5060 graphics. How does it the performance? So the processor Ryzen 9, which is AMD, it's 16 core, and it's 28,500 points to beat Intel i9. It's beat Intel i9 14 generation, which is 14900 HX in multi-core, and the battery life is 6 to 7 hours, and light usage in, and thanks to AMD efficiency, which is good battery, and the graphics RTX 5060, which is 8 GB, it's DDR6. The RTX 5060 is about 20 to 25% faster than the 4060. So, but still the trials the 4070, and still the QHD gaming is smooth with the DLSS enabled. Okay, let's talk about the RAM. So it has a two slot, uh, and it supports a DDR5 RAM, and up to, it's officially 32 GB support, but the 64 GB also, and unofficially, but it's work fine with most of the user review. It is working fine with the 64 GB. Keyboard is 1.9 key travel. It's stylish keyboard, and great for gaming and typing. And pre-key RGB, fully customizable, and anti-ghosting. No missed input in fast gamers. And minor annoyance is no numpad, some might miss it, and no webcam on this model. So some model is coming with a webcam. The ports are well placed, and I love the texture, the palm, and it resists fingerprint and feels great for long section. Okay, and finally the battery result is the web browsing normal you say 6 to 7 hour, or which is very good, and for gaming around 1.5 1.5 hour, like all gaming laptops have the same battery backup. The main advantages is of course Ryzen 9 fresh productivity, and QHD plus display stunning, great thermal for a thin laptop, and AMD battery efficiency. So these are the advantages, and there are some disadvantages. RTX 5060 still behind RTX 4060, and no webcam. On some model there is, but this model no webcam. So who should buy this? If you want AMD power, a gorgeous 240 Hz display and a solid 1440p gaming, so this is a fantastic choice. But if you need a max GPU performance, you might want to wait for an RTX 5070 or go to or Intel Plus RTX 4080. So would you pick the ASUS ROG Strix G16? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I will see you in the next one. Game on. Thank you.